Welcome. If you want to check Android version in your Realme Narzo 30, at the first you have to go for the settings, scroll at the bottom, pick About Phone, and then you will find the Android version in this place, right here. When you click once, you can open this Android settings, where you'll find Android security update and also Android version. If you keep tapping right here, you will open this Easter egg of the Android version. In my case, it's Easter egg of the Android 11. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.